Hello and welcome to my channel where I talk all about my jewellery that I make from Spiral d'Argent, which is lots of spiral necklaces and pendants as well as copper wrap pendants. Today I wanted to talk to you about how you can clean your jewellery. I don't normally have silver sitting around long enough to know whether it tarnishes or not. I buy the silver in, I make the necklaces and I post them out. But in January I had a very busy month and naturally a couple of things got returned, mainly because they wanted a different style spiral, so I just remade the next ones and sent them out and put their previous ones in a drawer. Lo and behold though, after I looked at them a little while later, I noticed how tarnished they were. This could be for a number of reasons. They may have come into contact with water. The person, when she tried them on, she might have had some creams or perfumes on, and the silver has reacted to that, which is perfectly normal. Silver is a metal and it will react to certain elements. My advice on my little cards that I always give you is to say, take it off when you're going to wash or when you're a little bit sweaty, and be wary of what perfumes and creams you are wearing, because obviously that will react to the metals. So today I wanted to show you how I discovered I could clean them. Obviously I send with your orders a little cleaning cloth, so for light tarnishing you can clean that up a little bit, but the way that the spirals are made on some of them, there is a lot of twists in them and it's hard to get into all the nooks and crannies, and some people have said that they're a little bit wary about damaging the spirals. So I recently purchased some Town Talk Silver Sparkle for a necklace that I was going to experiment on, and I am so pleased with the results. I wanted to show you how it would have worked. So here is the necklace that was returned to me, and as you can see it is not silver anymore, it's quite a dark colour, it's gone a bit brown. So I want to show you how to clean this up. It is missing its end because I've already tested it on a couple of spirals, so now I'll do the rest of the necklace to show you how it works. So I bought this Town Talk Silver Sparkle on eBay. It cost about £8 in total, and obviously it's going to last me for a very long time. So inside you get the little instruction booklet and a cleaning cloth, and then a tub of the Silver Sparkle. So take the lid off, and inside you'll see it's got a little tray for you to drop your silver on. One last look about how bad it does look. Let's pop it into Silver Sparkle, and then you just agitate it a little bit, a little while. Trying to get it so it's getting into all the different nooks and crannies of the necklace. It smells a little bit like the silver tabs that I've started including in your orders for sterling silver and fine silver. And then I'm just going to plunge this into a bowl of water to wash it off, and then we'll see how it looks. Lid back on that. I've just got a normal J cloth here to start with. That in there, and just give that a little rub to dry it off. You can already see that it's now back to being silver again. And then with the silver cloth we'll just give it a final polish. So obviously this is quite a laborious thing to do, so I'll just do a couple of spirals to show you. It's got a little bit twisted in the liquid, so we'll just work out how that needs to come apart. There we go. So then you take your silver cloth, you can already see how shiny it is now, it's so much better. And this might be something that you'll need to do regularly with your jewellery. If you're going to keep it in a drawer for a little while and not wear it, you're going to be a little bit disappointed when you take it out your drawer and see that maybe it's gone all tarnished because the last time you wore it, you had some perfume on or some body creams on and it's reacted with the silver. Now, as you can see how much shinier that now looks. We've now got a silver necklace again, which is so much better. Obviously this will take me a little bit of time just to give each spiral a little polish. But now you'd never know that it was brown a minute ago, and now it's back to its normal colour again. You just need to untwist some of the spirals that might have got a bit twisted. So don't be disheartened if you do get your necklace out of a drawer and it has gone all brown and tarnished. It can be rectified and you can continue wearing your favourite necklace again, hopefully. Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching that little transformation of the spiral necklace. If you liked it, give me a little thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Maybe leave a comment, because it helps me to make more videos and to share my work with you. So there we go. I'll attach the two that I took off and put its little hook back on, and we'll have my necklace back again. I'm going to just leave this in a drawer for a little bit longer just to make sure that it doesn't tarnish again, but I'm really pleased with the results of that. This one has been like, I cleaned this one a couple of months ago. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more little helpful tips on how you can look after your jewellery, how I make my jewellery, and various other things.